Hey everyone, welcome back to Water Link. My name is Davey, and today we're going to talk about something that every plumber needs before they even touch a pipe: the basic tools of the trade. You can't call yourself a plumber if you don't know your tools. They're your hands, your power, your pride. So let's walk through them together, one by one, like we're on a real job site. When you arrive at a plumbing job, the first thing you pull out of your bag should be your pipe wrench. This tool is heavy, but it's worth its weight in gold. You'll use it to hold and turn metal pipes or fittings, especially when they're tight or rusted. Always have two: one to grip, one to turn. With just one wrench, you'll twist the pipe instead of the joint, and that's how fittings get damaged. When you use them correctly, you'll feel the power of control in your hands. No struggle, just skill. Right next to it should be your adjustable spanner, the crescent wrench. This one's like the universal soldier of plumbing. It fits different nut and bolt sizes, so you can move from one fitting to another without switching tools every minute. It saves you time and keeps you moving efficiently. Just make sure the jaw isn't worn out. A loose wrench can round off your fittings and cause more harm than good. Now let's talk about something small but powerful: Teflon tape. If you've ever finished a job and water still drips at the joint, you know why this tape matters. It's the silent hero that keeps threads tight and watertight. You wrap it around the male thread always clockwise and it seals the connection perfectly. A small roll can save you a big headache, so never start a job without it. Then comes your pipe cutter. This is one of my personal favorites. When you're cutting PVC, PPR, or CPVC pipes, the cutter gives you a clean, smooth edge. It looks professional, it fits better, and it prevents leaks. Don't use knives or hacksaws for PVC, they make rough cuts that cause gaps and bad seals. With a pipe cutter, one twist and click, and you've got a perfect cut. Always clean the edge after cutting. Smooth edges make stronger joints. Of course, there will be times when you're dealing with metal pipes, or you need to cut brackets or supports. That's when your hacksaw comes in. Simple tool, but effective. Keep a few spare blades because dull ones waste time and ruin your accuracy. A good plumber knows that cutting straight means less trouble when fitting things together later. Then we have the measuring tape, the unsung hero of plumbing. Precision is everything in this job. Measure twice, cut once. If you cut a pipe too short, you waste materials; too long, and your alignment is ruined. Always check your measurements before gluing or threading. A good plumber isn't just strong, he's accurate. Now, here's a tool that most beginners ignore: the spirit level. You might think your eyes are enough to line up pipes, but trust me, they're not. A spirit level tells you if your pipe is straight or if your slope is right. Drainage systems depend on correct angles. Even a small mistake can cause blockages or backflow. So always check your levels before finishing a line. Next, let's talk about pliers. You'll need a few types: combination pliers, long nose pliers, and water pump pliers. Each one serves a purpose. You use them for gripping, bending, tightening small nuts, or pulling things out of tight spots. Sometimes, when your wrench can't fit, pliers will save the day. And never forget your tool bag. Organization is the difference between a skilled plumber and a struggling one. Keep your tools in order: wrenches together, cutters in one side pocket, Teflon tape in the front. When you know exactly where each tool is, you look professional, you save time, and you feel in control of your work. Now let's talk about safety. Many plumbers forget that their most important tools are not in the bag, they're your hands and your eyes. Always use safety gloves when cutting or tightening metal fittings, and safety goggles when using glue or fire. One small mistake can hurt you badly. Take care of yourself because the work can't continue if you're injured. There's also something most people don't mention, but it matters: maintenance tools like lubricant sprays. WD-40 keeps your wrenches, spanners, and cutters from rusting. Use it often, especially if you work outdoors or in wet places. Clean your tools after every job. Wipe them down and store them dry. Good tools can serve you for years if you respect them. Now when you put all these tools together: your pipe wrench, spanner, cutter, hacksaw, Teflon tape, pliers, measuring tape, level, gloves, and tool bag, you have a complete basic setup. That's your foundation as a plumber. You can walk onto any site and know you're ready for whatever job comes your way. You won't be the guy asking to borrow a tool, you'll be the one others look up to because you're prepared. So if you're new to plumbing, start small. Buy one good tool at a time. Quality matters more than quantity. Cheap tools break fast, and when they break, they can break your confidence too. But when you invest in good ones and take care of them, they'll help you grow in skill, speed, and professionalism. That's the heart of plumbing: skill and preparation. The job may look simple from the outside, but every clean installation and every tight joint starts with knowing your tools. These basics might seem small, but they're the foundation for every great plumber. Thanks for watching this video. If you learned something, hit the like button, subscribe to Water Link, and share it with someone who's just starting their plumbing journey. Next time, we'll go deeper into practical installations from fixing leaks to connecting an entire water system. Stay tuned, and as always keep the water flowing.